moderate risk was issued around 9:08 p.m. and covered the whole state of Minnesota. There were 3 tornadoes rated EF4 and 4 EF5 tornadoes. The moderate risk came up to a high risk and ended up taking over 50 lives. There were 4 storm chasers who died and 4 intoxicated drivers who died as well. One of the tornadoes hits Unselton and another hits the city of Trent.
Wadena County, north central Minnesota. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Trent, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Punkley. Featuring a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows, even mobile homes or vehicles. Is capable of causing severe injury and significant property damage. For more business, heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.